You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Believe in yourself, and the world will be at your feet. People laugh at me because I am different. I laugh at them because they are all the same. The one who makes the most mistakes, he learns the most in life. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately, fools never meditate. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. You are the creator of your own destiny. When you are doing any work, do not think of anything beyond. Do it as worship, as the highest worship, and devote your whole life to it for the time being. The world is the greatest gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care of what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. The reason for every misunderstanding is that we see the people as we are, but not as they are. A man is not poor without a rupee, but a man is really poor without a dream and ambition. Always try to represent yourself happy because initially it becomes your look, gradually it becomes your habit, and finally it becomes your personality. Knowledge can only be got in one way, the way of experience. There is no other way to know. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject it as a poison. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Thank you, friends.